Mistook my silence for surrender. Thought my calm and I was weak.